Imagine waking up and grabbing your phone or laptop and making $200 a day without stepping outside your house. It sounds like a dream, right? Well, what if I told you it's not a dream, but it is absolutely possible? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you 5 powerful websites that is helping Africans, Asians, Americans, literally everywhere in the world from the comfort of their homes. These 5 platforms I'll be talking about pays you in dollars, and you don't need to be any tech guru or have any master's degree from Harvard for you to qualify. All you need to get started is your phone, an internet connection, and common sense. I know someone might be doubting in their mind, well, this is not a scam or a hype. This is real opportunity online for you to take advantage of. So whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or you are just tired of the 9 to 5 job, then you need to stay with me to the end of this video, and I'll be explaining to you clearly how and where to find this job and put in your application as quick as possible. Perhaps this video could actually change your entire life. If today is the first time of you coming across this channel, welcome on board. Like this video, turn on the notification bell, and subscribe to this channel. Leave a comment in the comment section and at least compliment my beer. And if you're a returning subscriber, I salute and welcome back on board. Grab your pen, grab your pencils, let's get straight into business. Thank you very much for joining me on my laptop. Our first website we will be checking is MonSquad. This is actually one of my favorites. They're actually a customer service company that work remotely and also physically. So remember that it's not all the jobs that are actually remotely, but most of them are remotely. So if you are going through the careers or the job opportunities, make sure you check and read the requirement very well. So with MonSquad, it says that everyone is remote these days, but will they be remote tomorrow? We always been a remote first company since 2007. So this speaks volumes that this company has been in operation for a very long time, and longevity also show how authentic the company actually is. So moving on, I said no need to worry that is going away. Most positions are remote. Kindly note, as I said earlier on, most of the positions are remote, but it doesn't mean that all of them are remote. It continues to say the few that aren't are clearly marked. So when you are searching for the careers or job opportunity, do well to check if it is remote job or not. Let's scroll down and check some of the opportunity they have, so that we can go to the next website and also go and check what they have available. But before I continue, they are actually on Facebook, they are on X, they are on Instagram, they are on LinkedIn, and they are also on YouTube. You can come here and follow them on their respectful social media platforms. So in case of anything, any notification, you'll be the first person to get notified. So whilst you're following them on their social media platform, do also subscribe to this channel. Leave a comment in the comment section, like this video, and share to somebody that it might also be beneficial to, because this will actually change someone's life. So if you want to contact them, you can contact them through here via email or phone number. But I advise the quickest way to get them is through email. If you don't understand anything, just go ahead and email them, ask them questions, and they are going to respond to you respectfully. Imagine you are in Ghana, you are in South Africa, you are in Nigeria, you are earning in dollars. When you exchange it into Naira or the Ghana cedis, you get to realize that you're actually making a lot. Let's check up some of their careers they have available. When you scroll down, they have a lot of job opportunities. I'm just brushing through. As I said earlier on, with MonSquad, they're actually into customer service. That's why they have the sales accountant executive. You could tap on it and read a little bit about it. And as it says here, you can work remotely. They also have a sales accountant executive. You can also work remote, that's a remote job. Over here they have enterprise analytic engineer, 4 locations, which is telling you that you cannot actually work remotely with this one because they are indicating this could be in the US or any other place. If you are in those countries, then hallelujah on your part. But if you are not, then you have to go ahead. You have to go ahead and look for something like that, which is workforce analyst. It is actually remote, so you can apply for this no matter your location, whether you are in Canada, you are in Ghana. When you come up here, do what to enter the right filter in order for you to get the right job you're actually looking for. And as it says, time type, location, job category, and more. So let's say time, they have part-time and full-time. So if you are looking for a remote job, by all means you should go for a part-time, maybe an evening job or something like that. The location, you should say maybe all location. Do what to enter all the necessary filter, and I wish you all the best in your job application. Do not procrastinate, do all and try your possible best and put in an application. Let me brush you through the 4 other websites so that this video won't be too long. Our next website is Gambly or Gambly. I don't know if that's the right pronunciation. This is an amazing website which is for English tutors. So as an English tutor, you can be in your house and teach people from China, from all walks of life, different parts of the world. All you need to do is to sign up and join them. So if you know you're an English tutor, this is a very big opportunity for you to teach people in different parts of the world. So you're a teacher, you close from school in the evening around 6 o'clock, 2 o'clock, whatever time you close, you could actually schedule your time and start teaching around 9, 8. Anytime you are free, you can actually do this as a part-time job and you can be making hundreds of US dollars. Over here on Gambly, you can also come and check the careers they have available. And if you want to become a tutor, you can go ahead and enter the right information by signing up. If you haven't signed up, try and sign up. I'm just brushing through. Do well to explore the website. If you want the links, do well to comment and I'll leave the link as a reply for anybody that comments under this post. Let's quickly move to the next website. Our next website is Text Broker. This is actually a US company. They are specialized in writing. So if you know you're a writer, you're an author, you are specialized in search engine optimization, this is a very great opportunity for you. All you need to also do over here is to sign up and join the team, apply. If you are being selected, you'll be employed and you'll be working remotely irrespective of wherever you are. Remember that some of the positions you need to be available, so do well to read it very well before you continue any process. This is one of their jobs available. It says the client and author service representative. Job duties, you could go ahead and read the job duties. You could go ahead and read the job skills that is actually required, at least 1 year of experience supporting clients via phone, email, or equivalent customer service experience. So basically you can just be in the house and be doing this work. Be able to type a minimum of 45 WPM, and it's also an excellent command of the English language, both spoken and written, English organization and time management. If you know you qualify for this position, do well to read all of these and put in a strong application. And they also say please contact for current salary information. So you need to contact them to know about the salary and more. Over here is a position type, full-time, into bracket part-time will also be considered. So if you are currently in the US, fine. But if you are not in the US, part-time, you could also get this job on part-time basis. You don't need to actually be physical. Over here they have a project manager. They have different opportunities for almost everybody. I don't want to waste my time here, so we just brush through and move to our next website. Our next website is Appen. With Appen, it's just like you are going to be training AI. So let's read what they have here. It said Appen has been providing high quality data set that power the world's leading AI model for decades. So they've been in the system for so long. What you need to do is to come here and join the crowd and get started. When you scroll down here, if you have any question, you could come here and ask them. But I advise that you go ahead and join the team before coming here to ask them any question or even checking on the careers. If you tap on the careers, it will show you some opportunities they have available. If you qualify, you can put in your application and start earning in dollars. If you come here to they are on LinkedIn, they're also on YouTube right here. You can also follow them over there. And as I said, join our crowd, join them and be part of their team that train AI and start cashing out in dollars. So personally, I encourage you to set a time for yourself and research about it and put in strong application yourself. And I'm in high spirits that you are going to get approved and join the Appen team and start cashing out in dollars. Let's move to the last but not the least. The last but not the least is ClickWorker. A lot of people know it, but it's not everybody that actually know about ClickWorker. It says earn money as a click worker. So if you want to get in touch, you can get in touch for customers, for click workers. In case you're already part of them, you want to ask any question, fine. But if not, you come here and you make sure you register. Do all to register and start cashing out. With them, they also train AI. That's one of their main purpose. And it says that we use power of our global crowd click workers to generate, validate, and label data. So whilst you are training the AI, you are also cashing out. So if you scroll down here, there's something very important I want to show you. It says a workforce located in 136 countries. So basically, by all means, if you are in Africa, you qualify to be in one of these 136 countries. So they have workers spread all over the world, which tells you that it's a remote job. They've been in existence for over 19 years of micro tax expertise. So that should speak volume that yes, this is an authentic company. They are not a company that just came today or yesterday. I know a lot of people are asking that what if I get employed? How am I going to receive my payment? So most of these apps pay people through PayPal or Payoneer or any other payment method. So don't worry at all about how am I going to receive payment. How you are going to receive payment is not a big deal at all. Just do your possible best and put in the application. When you get approved or selected or employed, at the end of the day, you could go ahead and enter the payment method that is much more flexible for you. I wish you all the best in your application, and it is my prayer that very soon you call me and tell me you've started cashing out in dollars and you started making like 200, 100, and even more than that a day. All the best and see you on the other side. Now that you know, this is a golden opportunity for you to start making above $200, $100 a day from the comfort of your home if you qualify. Do well to put in the application, stop procrastinating, and do the work. If you find this video useful, leave a comment in the comment section, like this video, and share this video to someone that it might be beneficial to. Without much ado, as usual, I'm out.